In a significant leadership transition at India's leading power equipment manufacturer, K. Ashok has officially taken charge as the Executive Director of BHEL Tiruchi Complex. The 59-year-old engineer, known for his vast operational expertise, succeeds S. Prabhakar, who superannuated after heading the complex. Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited has announced that the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has approved the extension of the additional charge of the post of Director, HR and EB, to Dr. Kalyan Sagar Nippani, currently Director HR at Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Damodar Valley Corporation has taken a major step in strengthening its financial framework by securing a 5,000 crore rupee term loan for the Koderma Thermal Power Station Phase 2. The loan has been arranged with Central Bank of India through Novation with State Bank of India, highlighting a collaborative approach to project financing. Steel Authority of India Limited has achieved its highest ever single-day hot metal production, recording 64,986 tons on 21st March 2026, surpassing the previous record of 64,120 tons. REC Limited announced that its board of directors approved a comprehensive market borrowing program totaling 1.6 lakh crore rupees for the financial year 2026-27. The decision was taken during the board meeting held on March 25, 2026. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation has been honored with the Certificate of Merit Manufacturing Large Enterprise at the 38th Annual Jamnalal Bajaj Uchit Vyavahar Puraskar 2026. A prestigious platform recognizing ethical and fair business practices in India. Bharat Dynamics Limited has announced the establishment of 2 additional manufacturing facilities in Telangana and Uttar Pradesh, strengthening its production capabilities amid rising defense requirements. Vinit Erath, Chief General Manager at Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, has been appointed as a committee member of the Indian Subcontinent Technical Committee of DNV. This appointment marks a significant recognition of his extensive experience and leadership in the maritime and defense sectors. In a significant move towards sustainable maritime innovation, Cochin Shipyard Limited has officially entered into a joint venture agreement with HBL Engineering Limited to develop electric mobility and energy storage solutions for the maritime sector. Coal India Limited has taken a major step toward listing its subsidiary, Central Mine Planning and Design Institute Limited, by filing the final prospectus with the Registrar of Companies, ROC, Jharkhand, on March 25, 2026.